Okay, so we just got the, what is it, Dragon Fire Chicken Spire mac and cheese cone. And I have to say, it lives up to the hype. Like, it looks really good and it smells really good. And the bread looks amazing. So I'm excited to dig in. Ten out of 10. Amazing. They're really like crispy. Almost like a buffalo.
Right, here goes. I'm going to give this a try. It's so crispy on the outside. It has kind of a strong flavor of garlic, which actually I'm a fan of. You could see the crispy onions there on top. Highly, highly recommend this when you visit Isle of Berk.